Some people enter your life only to teach you a lesson. Will you recognize it in time? When someone walks away, it might not be a loss, but space for something better. You'll never change your life if you don't change what you do every day. 26 life lessons that will protect your peace and purpose. 1. Not everyone is meant to stay in your life forever. Some people are just passing through to teach you something. Some arrive as blessings, others as lessons, but both are necessary. 2. Show respect even when it's not deserved, because how you act reflects who you are, not who they are. Your behavior is your legacy. Don't let others drag you down to their level. 3. If someone walks away, let them. Their exit might be making space for someone better to enter. Trust the process. 4. Sometimes, silence is the only thing that makes sense. When words fail, stillness speaks. Let it heal you. 5. The happiest people I know are always growing. The most miserable, often busy judging others. Growth brings peace. Criticism reveals dissatisfaction. 6. A wise person learns from everyone. Pride rejects. Wisdom absorbs. What are you choosing? 7. Your life won't change until your habits do. Success lives in your routine. One small change, repeated, transforms everything. 8. Anyone can say I love you. Few mean it. Don't believe. Words believe actions. Actions don't lie. 9. Don't let a bad mood poison your words. You'll get more chances to change your mood, but no chance to take back what you say. Speak with care. 10. Life's hardest test, patience. Waiting for the right moment isn't easy, but what's real never comes rushed. 11. When the past knocks, don't answer. It has nothing new to tell you. The past is a teacher, not a home. 12. Love yourself first, because that's who you'll spend the rest of your life with. Self-respect sets the tone for all your relationships. 13. It's not about being better than others. It's about being better than you were yesterday. 14. You're becoming your best self. Progress may be slow, but it's progress. Keep going. 15. You're not selfish for walking away from those who drain you. Boundaries protect peace, not pride. Don't feel guilty for choosing yourself. 16. For your peace of mind, stop trying to understand everything. Not everything needs a reason. Not every question needs an answer. Calm often begins where overthinking ends. Let go and let peace in. 17. Some of your own family members will travel miles to attend your funeral, but won't cross the street to support you while you're alive. Blood doesn't always equal loyalty. Look at actions, not labels. You deserve genuine love, not obligated gestures. 18. Life is too short to waste on meaningless worries. Have fun. Fall deeply in love. Live boldly. Don't let others bring you down. Joy is a rebellion. Be fearless, not bitter. 19. Don't focus on what people say. Watch what they do. Behavior reveals truth. Words often hide it. Actions are where sincerity lives. 20. There will always be people who mock your dreams or attack your personality. But remember, their jealousy is a reflection of their own insecurity, not your worth. Believe in yourself. Then noise means nothing if you stay true. To 1. The purpose of life isn't just success. It's joyful success. Achievement without happiness is empty. Don't trade your joy for someone else's approval. 2. What you say to yourself daily will either lift you or destroy you. Choose wisely. Your inner voice becomes your outer world. Be kind to yourself. 3. When people feel intimidated by your strength, they'll try to weaken your spirit. But that's their weakness, not your flaw. Stand tall. Their fear isn't your burden. 24. Life gets lighter when you stop caring what others think. Freedom begins when people-pleasing ends. Be your true self, unapologetic ally. 5. You can't control how others feel about you. Don't try. Live your life. Be happy. Let go of their approval. 6. And when you cut someone off, they won't tell the full story. They'll only share the part that makes them look innocent. But don't defend. Let your peace speak louder than your defense. We often think pain is the enemy, but sometimes it's the most honest teacher we'll ever have. We chase validation, forgetting that true peace begins within. These life lessons aren't here to make you feel bad for not learning them earlier. They're here to wake you up today, while there's still time to choose to change and to live more intentionally. Stop trying to control everything. Stop expecting answers from people who don't truly see you, and stop draining yourself to keep relationships alive that are already killing your spirit. You can't please everyone, but you can learn to be at peace with yourself. If you've made it this far, I know you're not just watching, you're on a journey to change how you live, think, and love yourself. Remember, not everyone will understand you. Not everyone is meant to stay. But you always have the power to keep going, grow, and become. You don't need to defend your peace. You just need to live it, gently but firmly, every single day. If this video touched something inside you, subscribe to Stoicism Philosophy Daily, and drop a comment. Which lesson in this video hit you the hardest? Share this with someone who might need a quiet reminder, a gentle push, or a bit of light in a dark season. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video with deeper, truer, and even stronger lessons.